Septon is back with another unboxing. This is going to be the Lindero ANC True Wireless earbuds. That's all I got. Lindero. Got Bluetooth 5.2 and Qualcomm aptX. And I had the lights off earlier and I could see a light blinking I hope this isn't one of those really cheapo brands. I swore I saw a light blinking when I took these out of the Amazon box. Let's see what's in here. Yes, one of the earbuds is trying to, oh wow, okay. Oh man, okay, here's a charging case. Feels kind of cheap, but no big deal. Kind of looks like the Soundpeach T2 charging case. Yeah, it's pretty standard. Okay, let's look at the earbuds. Oh, these are nice looking. Get a nice, unique shape to them. Look like the Tozo NC9s. The little cake pan silicone tips. Okay, I'm gonna put these in the box so I can turn that off. All right, let's see. That's the right one, and this is the left one. I don't know anything about these except for the name and a few features that they have. Lord have mercy. Oh, I like that was the bag for the cable. Let me see, we got USB A to USB Type C. And here is a very small, this is a quick start guide. There's ain't nothing else in there. That's it. Charging cable, buds, quick start guide. That's okay, that's in Chinese. Okay, this is in English, all right. Well, at least he's got all-in-one touch controls. That's good. All right, see how many tips are in here. It says in here, it says 4. The mediums, I assume, are already on. Oh man, it's hard to open. Okay, here we go. Out you go. Oh, come on. Come up out of here. There. Oh, yeah, that's really small right there. Let's see. That's that extra small. Another set. A medium. And I guess these fit somewhere in the middle. Okay, so there you have it. That's everything that comes in the box. Hopefully they sound good. Let's see how they fit in the ear. Okay, we got voice prompts. We don't got like beeps and boops like Alki. They fit good. Yeah, I got a nice fit. Look, pull it out of my ear, tip turned inside out. Okay, not bad. So far, I'm liking what I see. They got some juice in the case. Got charged LED indicator lights on the front. They got 4, so you probably get 3 or 4 additional charges. And these will light up, letting you know how much battery you got in the charging case. They do this by thirds. Let's see. Yes, Bluetooth 5.2. Battery capacity 420 milliamps. And input DC 5 volts, 800 milliamps or amps. Okay. Very simple standard affair. The Lindero, what is it? What are they called though? Okay, H26 ANC. All right. So this has been the unboxing of the Lindero H26 ANC. Thank you for watching.